To redeem Krisflyer miles with Hsbc, you need to have a Krisflyer account and an Hsbc credit card that earns Krisflyer miles. First, check your Krisflyer miles balance by logging into your Krisflyer account online or through the Singapore Airlines mobile app. Next, browse the Singapore Airlines website to search for available redemption flights. You can redeem miles for flights on Singapore Airlines, Silk Air, and other partner airlines. Take note of the required miles for your desired flight and travel dates. To redeem your miles, log into your Krisflyer account and click on the Redeem Miles option. Select the type of redemption you want, such as flight tickets or upgrades. Choose your travel dates and flight options, and confirm your redemption. If you have an Hsbc credit card that earns Krisflyer miles, you can transfer your miles to your Krisflyer account. To do this, log into your Hsbc online banking account and navigate to the Rewards or Miles Transfer section. Select the number of miles you want to transfer and confirm the transaction. Once your miles are transferred, you can redeem them for flights or other rewards. Make sure to check the expiration date of your miles and plan your redemption accordingly. It is also important to note that redemption availability and miles requirements may vary depending on the flight and travel dates. By following these steps, you can easily redeem your Krisflyer miles with Hsbc and enjoy your rewards. Always review the terms and conditions of your Krisflyer account and Hsbc credit card to maximize your miles earnings and redemption options.